The computer uses utility software to carry out particular tasks. Okay? Softwares for checking and securing a computer against viruses, such as Norton, Dr. Solomon, AVG, Panda, and Avast are examples of utilities. Now, these utilities, most as for today, since the world has changed, they're just being packed in one package, which is the driver pack solution. So immediately you install the driver pack solution, then all these, the antiviruses, the web browsers, come together with the driver pack solution. For application softwares, users utilize this computer software to complete their tasks. If you remember very well, I earlier mentioned that the application softwares does the specific job, okay? Like an eye of a human being. An eye, its job is just to see. The ear is just to hear. So similar to the application softwares on the computer, they will just do a specific job, okay? If it's typing certain documents, then it's just for typing. If it's presentation, then it's just for presentation. So application softwares does not have the ability to directly control or interact with hardware. Instead, it works directly with the users to change data in the ways they desire. Some examples of application softwares include the Microsoft Office, where we have Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, Access, all those things. So when you look at the Microsoft Word is just to type professional documents. If you look at PowerPoint, it's just to, for presentation, nothing else. If it's Excel, just for budgeting, nothing else. So those do a specific job. Apart from those, we also have WordStar and WordPerfect. All those are application softwares. Excel and Lotus, database software such as the DBase 7, Paradox, and Microsoft Access. All these do a specific job on the computer. Softwares for financial analysis, such as Pastel. Software for payroll, such as MicroPay. Other application softwares may also include video games. Okay, so if it's for video, then it's for video games. If it's for payments, just for payments. All right. Word processors. The word processors are software applications used for creating, editing, and formatting documents, typically for word-based content such as letters, reports, and essays. Okay? So here there are two things. The possible questions can be, how do you, or rather, what are the advantages of Word? What are the uses of words? So bear in mind that the advantages of words is formatting. You can be able to edit, you can be able to format your work. Unlike back then where we used pen and the paper. If you're writing an application letter, you would want to write on the plain paper. Now imagine the mistakes that you make on the plain paper. Okay? At some point you even tend to throw away that paper that you have made mistakes on. But when you look at the Microsoft Word, you'll be able to edit where you feel the word is not written correctly. Okay? You can also be able to format. Okay? Popular word processors include Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and Apple Pages, among others. They also allow users to save and print documents, and often support collaboration features, allowing multiple users to work on a document simultaneously. We go to spreadsheets. The other name for spreadsheet is Microsoft Excel. Okay? Spreadsheets are software applications and for organizing, analyzing, and manipulating data in rows and columns. Okay? Since it's usually made for budgeting or other calculations, okay, That's why it has rows and columns. Popular spreadsheet applications include Microsoft Excel. That's why I said the other name for for spreadsheets is Microsoft Excel. Okay, then we have Google Sheets and Apple Numbers, among others. Spreadsheets provide powerful mathematical and computation capabilities, including formulas, functions, and macros for performing calculations on data. At some point, you can use Microsoft Excel as a calculator because it does all those mathematical operations. They can be used for a wide range of tasks such as budgeting, financial analysis, data tracking, and creating charts and graphs. Okay? What do I want here? The question might be differentiate between Microsoft Word and spreadsheet, or rather Microsoft Excel. Okay? So the answers should be Microsoft Word is just used for typing professional documents, while Microsoft Excel is for budgeting. Simple as that. Web browsers. Web browsers is another application software, okay, used for accessing and navigating websites on the internet. Popular web browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Apple Safari, as well as Opera Mini. Okay, depending with what you're conversant with. Web browsers provide a user-friendly interface for viewing web pages and support various features such as bookmarks, tabs, and history for easy navigation. Web browsers also provide security features such as blocking malicious websites, managing cookies, and protecting against online threats.